Login failed on Bento for Business fix. You're trying to log into your Bento for Business account to manage company cards or track expenses, but instead, the system says login failed. It's frustrating, but here's the good news. This issue is usually easy to fix if you know what to check first. Start with your credentials. Most login failures happen because of a simple mistake: a mistyped email, an outdated password, or even a hidden space when copying and pasting. Type everything manually and double-check for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password, and Bento will send you a reset link. Be sure to open it from the same device you'll use to log back in. If your details are correct, the next possible cause is your browser. Cached data and old cookies can interfere with login sessions. Clear them or open a private browsing window. Bento's dashboard works best on Chrome and Firefox, so make sure your browser is updated before retrying. Network security can also play a role. If you're logging in through a VPN, proxy, or public Wi-Fi, Bento's system might block access for safety reasons. Switch to a private connection with a stable network, then refresh the page. Mobile app users should check for updates. Outdated versions of the Bento app can fail to connect properly after backend updates. Go to your app store, install the latest version, and try again. If you're still locked out, there might be an account verification issue. Bento sometimes requires users to confirm identity changes or unusual activity via email. Check your inbox or your spam folder for any messages from Bento requesting confirmation. And finally, if Bento's servers are undergoing maintenance, the login page may be temporarily unavailable. Wait a few minutes and try again. By following these simple fixes, checking credentials, clearing your cache, updating your app, and ensuring a secure connection, you can usually resolve Bento for Business login issues in minutes. Once you're back in, enable multi-factor authentication for extra protection and keep your business finances safe and accessible at all times.